Hey guys, it's Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and today I want to talk to you about growing backyard grapes. Now, a lot of people have asked me, Mike, what's the best backyard grape to grow? One of my favorites has to be this beautiful Concord grape. Concord comes in seeded or seedless, and it's named after the town in Massachusetts in which it was discovered. It's a wonderful grape for juices. No peanut butter and jelly sandwich would be even thought about without having Concord jelly, and it makes a great kosher wine. But here in the Roland Garden, we like to use the Concord grape for fresh eating. It's quite a delight. It's a disease-free grape. In fact, I haven't put anything on these leaves all year long. It's an incredible grape for this climate of the Midwest. It is drought tolerant, which is really important with the climate change, and it's just a wonderful all-around grape, an American grape that really needs to be appreciated. And now let's do a taste test of this Concord grape and see what Baby Noel thinks. Are they yummy?
Yeah.
Concord grape, a wonderful delight.